Good morning, children. Namaskar, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Let's see how you are looking today. Can you turn on your camera? Don't worry how you are looking. I just want to see you for just, okay? Even I'm also looking tired because it's too hot and I'm sitting outside. You got it? Okay. Agastya, how are you? Fine.
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, that's great. Okay, Lakshya, just Patel. Okay. Why you are sitting in dim light? Augustine? Only Augustine just put a light on the board. Just you the haircut, right? Okay. If it would be regular class, then we would take it. Patel Lakshya, how are you? How are you doing?
Fine, ma'am.
They're fine. Okay. That's great. I'm going to show you your school so that you can feel that you are in school, right? Let me check. How can I turn on the back camera? Can you see? This is yours. I'm in the first floor, and this is your school. Okay, fine. This is 8 class, and temporary. The table and benches has been set here. You will get the big one. So this is the board. Okay, and here is your classmate. He is lying. Say hi to everyone.
Hello.
Hi. Agassi is saying hi to you. Okay, fine. Just now he came to the class. Okay, all of you now join your hands, close your eyes. We are going to start Gayatri Mantra for 3 times. Then we'll begin the question answer round. Okay, fine. All of you join your hands, close your eyes. Are you all ready? Sahil Kumar has left meeting. I will take your attendance at the mid, okay? So that I will know that who has joined and who has left the meeting. Okay. Here I'm going to start the mantra. Agastya, you are on phone. Put it down. Okay. Fine. Close your eyes. Join your hands. Here we are going to start Gayatri Mantra for 3 times. Om Bhurvasvaha Tasvaturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurvasvaha Tasvaturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Bhurvasvaha Tasvaturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. You can open your eyes, rub your hands, palm, and put it on your eyes to feel that refreshment. Okay? Those are wearing spec, they can take out the spec and put the warm palm on your eyes, then to cheek. It give you a positiveness, okay? Positivity into your mind. So better you can do every day. Okay? Yes. In the last class, we are discussing the poem, It Couldn't Be Done. And really, it is a motivational poem. If you read, understand properly, you can motivate yourself that everything can possible. Yes? Here I'm going to share with you the page. Okay, it couldn't be done. If you have any doubt, quickly ask me, or we will go for question answer discussion. Tell me, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay.
No, ma'am. All clear. Ma'am.
All clear. Okay, that's great. So, shall we go for the question answer round? Okay, I'm giving you 2 to 3 minutes time to frame question from page number 24. Okay, first stanza. You have 8 lines in the stanza and frame questions as many as you can make. Okay, and after framing questions, please write down in chat box so that I can note it down. You bring your rough notebook and write down. Go.
Ma'am, can you repeat what to write?
I said that you have 5 minutes time, read first stanza of the poem and frame as many questions as you can. Okay?
Ma'am, can we check in the chat box? We can make same thing.
Okay. So fine, let me write. Frame questions from stanza 1. Okay? So here Mayan has written who is the poet. Jas Patel has written what was the chuckle reply. That's great. Agastya has written what is the meaning of somebody says. That's nice. You are asking logical question. That's great. Wonderful. What could not be done? Yeah. That question even I never thought. That's great. Other student can reply of those questions. Do you want to reply of any question? Okay. Which question?
Who started and what?
Who started
And what?
and what? Okay. Your question should be like that. Who started to singing?
Yes.
Okay. Who was buckled? Okay. Pratham has written Pratham Khurana. That means Himanshi Khurana. What is the moral of the poem? Okay. But I said that only from first stanza. It's okay, but Jas Patel asked that why should he be worried? Wow, that's great. Who was worried to press green? Very good. You are collecting so many questions. But don't copy from Google, okay? You frame by yourself. That will help you to improve. Or learn from this. So answering of any question. So anybody is there to answer of any question?
Ma'am,
And
I can
you are
give
going to reply. Write down their name. Yes.
I want to answer my question only of the which is the synonym of the determined force in synonym. And the answer is the tackle the thing.
That's great. Okay.
And just ma'am, and I can give another answer.
Okay.
Means you said that it could not be done. That one. the poet said, the relatives or the anyone, means somebody said that it couldn't be done.
Okay, fine, that's great. Now, Shlok also framed some question. I'm going to read. Who started to sing? Now, second question he has asked us that who buckled right in with a trace of green. Okay. Now, last question is tell the meaning of trace of green. Okay, fine. Now, moving to next. Lakshya Patel has asked that I want everybody should answer of this question, even you also, Shlok. What the poet want us to learn from this poem?
Nothing is impossible.
Yes?
Nothing is impossible.
Nothing is impossible. Okay. Anyone wants to answer of this question?
Ma'am, we should not give up and we should try it. Without trying it, we should not give up.
Oh.
And if we fail, we should try again
That's
and
great.
again, because we learn from our failures also.
Wonderful answer, Isha. Just also replied that everything is possible. Yes, very nice. See, we know that everything is possible. Okay, nothing is impossible. We should do hard work. We should not give up. We all know all the good
Ma'am,
things.
impossible is the negative word. Ma'am, impossible is the negative word. I have changed into positive word. I am possible.
That's great. Yes, if you separate I am, okay, that is I am possible. If you add it, then it becomes impossible. So why should we speak negative word impossible? Instead of that, it says I am possible. It's possible, right? That's great. Monil also has said the same thing, right? See, what was I saying that we all know all the good things. We know that what is right, what is bad, okay? Still, why we don't follow that? We know that we should not give up. We know that we should practice every day. We know that all the good things, because our mind has two aspects of things, positive and negative. Okay, we have good soul and negative soul. So which soul, which mind do you activate? According to that, we work. Okay, so while speaking, we only speak the good things. But while working, we do what we feel to do. Yes? So activate your positive thing. Activate your angel part. We have angel or we have devil in our body, both the things. So you use your angel part, or you are an angel, everybody, okay? You yourself God. I believe humans are God, but if you practice all the negativity, then you become devil or negative person. So better you should activate your God, install it. What is the rhyming scheme in this stanza as well? Alliteration. Agastya asked about two figure of speech. It's about rhyming scheme and alliteration. Yes, Shlok, tell me what is the rhyming scheme? You just calculate and say what is the rhyming scale. I have already taught you. And what is alliteration? Once you eliminate the impossible, whatever remains, no matter how improbable, must be the truth. Yes, Monin? Yeah, these students are really, they do very well. I am really happy for you all. It always seems impossible until it's done. Start by doing what's necessary, then do what's possible, and suddenly you are doing. Yeah, that's great. But I asked that, Agastya has asked that what is the rhyming scheme and alliteration.
Ma'am, in which first stanza or second stanza?
First stanza, find out from first stanza, it's okay.
Okay, ma'am.
When? Huh? Yeah, Shlok said that alliteration is somebody said. Yeah, somebody said that is alliteration. Okay, because it started with consonant sound S. Okay. Even Jas Patel has also written somebody said and who wouldn't. That's great. Ashita Moria has written when he will say maybe it couldn't. When he will, I will consider as alliteration, but yes, yes, that is also. Shlok has shown us the second one. Tackle the things also alliteration. Okay, it's the answer of Shlok. I am typing here. Tackled the things. Yes, tackle the thing, that is alliteration. Okay, now you go for the stanza number 2 and 3rd. Okay, let's start asking questions from stanza number 2nd and 3rd. Shlok has written another question. Okay, 2 more questions he has written. First is on which poet's doubting. Second one is what type of expression on the poet's face. That's great, wonderful question. Yeah, who scoffed? Answer of Monil, he said that who scoffed. Do you know what is the meaning of scoffed? Do you think poet make 8-line stanza for fun or its type? That's also a wonderful question. Great. Agastya. Jas Patel has written what he will never do. Okay. Monil has written who knows that he would begin it. Okay, that's also the question, right? Now, Ashita Moria, did the listener got demotivated after listening you will never do? Yeah, that's wonderful, Ashita. Wonderful question. Something unique. Now, Pratham, how many good nights written took off it and hat in the poem? Okay. Shlok has written who is demotivated. Agastya has written from poem many attractive questions. Okay, you got question. Okay, that you are asking. Fine. Why he took off his coat? Okay, Jas Patel and Lakshya, the both asked similar question, but I just wish that all of you explain the phrase. He took out his coat and hat. What is the meaning of this? I told you it is important. Okay, explain it. You can unmute yourself and explain.
Ma'am, I am Lakshya. Can I?
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, this means to get ready for the hard work.
Oh, will you repeat that? It means for?
Ma'am, the meaning of took off his coat and took off his hat is to get ready for the hard work.
Get ready for the hard work. Okay, that's great. Jas Patel, you have also asked the same question. Will you reply? Jas Patel?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my answer is that only means by taking out his coat and hat, he is getting ready for hard work. Being ready.
Okay, fine. Anyone wants to change the answer?
Ma'am, if we will do hard work and if we will be having coat and hat, so we will take off the coat and hat, we will not feel hot, then we will be ready for doing the hard work in the sense of that.
Okay. That's great. Actually, you all are correct, okay? You all are Correct. Okay, I'm writing Shlok's question. He has written, what is the meaning of beat of a green? Okay, see, if you talk about hard work, with coat and hat, you can sit in an office and you can do the mental hard work. That is not physical hard work, okay? But when you work in a field, suppose you are going for run, if you are going to work in a farm, okay? There you no need to wear coat and hat. Do you wear a fancy coat and hat and work in as a farmer? It is not possible for you because there you have to do lots of physical hard work. So yes, 1 minute, I will take 1 minute time to explain this. So that's why the poet said that he took out his coat and hat to start his hard work. So that means hard work in a simple way. Yes, tell me. He said a bit of smile, your answer, okay? Tell me what you wanted to say.
I have typed this question. And why in a first and second stanza, same last line means that couldn't be done and he did it. In a first and last stanza. In third stanza it changed. Why and what is it?
Okay, fine. Anyone wants to reply?
I want to answer, ma'am. I will leave.
But you have asked question, so let them reply for your question, okay?
Okay.
Ma'am, of which this question, why in first and second stanza one?
Ma'am,
He says that means he asks us that in the first and second stanza, the poet has ended the stanza with same line, okay? That means he did it. But in the last stanza, he said that you will do it. That is different. What is the reason behind that?
And what is that?
What is that?
Ma'am, due to this repeating the same line, the rhyming words, the poem became attractive.
No,
Only
ma'am.
attractive? See, suppose if I am saying something to you, that means I will not focus on something attractive to you, right? I will say something that is something that goes to your mind, not to attract you, okay? Now you tell me the answer. Do you want to say?
ma'am, I have typed one question.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Yes. Why there are thousands to tell that it cannot be. Yeah, Riddhi, I will ask this question to everyone, okay? Fine. Yes, tell me, beta.
That the first and second stanza means first I am going to say this is the refrain. Means repeatedly more than only in a means if there are three stanzas then first two are having same last line ended with same line and third is different. Why ma'am? Over here I can see that he did it and you want to tell us that feel I have done that one work but at the last he want to tell that then if you will did it and the poet has known that we will understand that I have done in this two stanza but in a third he had did it means I have did it means the viewers or readers have did it.
Okay, got it. Fine. Listen, if you're talking about figure of speech, you are fully correct, okay? If you're talking about only stanza, let me clear to you. In the first stanza, the poet is replying somebody in the first stanza. In the second stanza, he did not reply, but he did the action. But in the third stanza, that means last stanza, the poet is talking to us. The poet is telling to the reader. We are the reader. The poet is telling to us that never give up. You can do it. Fine. So that is according to stanza. But according to figure of speech, you are all correct. Okay. Fine, Agastya. Now I wanted to ask questions of Riddhi Maheshwari. She has asked that why there are thousands to tell, okay, that it cannot be done. What is the reason behind and why they say this type of negative comment or statement to us?
Ma'am, can I
Because the work is so difficult. Okay. Yes.
Because, ma'am, people think about the negative thing.
Who replied? Nobody. Okay. So Shlok is saying that there are thousands to promote failure. Okay, not success. Huh? Monil has asked that which statement is best describe the main message or center message of the poem. Lakshya, yes, Lakshya, answer of that question. Lakshya and Ridhi said they can. Yes, you both can answer that question.
Ma'am, he started to sing and tackle the thing. That is the best line, ma'am. Because he is saying that you can do everything.
Yes.
Nothing is impossible.
That's great. I really like your answer. Okay. Now, okay, what's the problem? Maybe you don't have good connection, beta. Sit in a place where you can get good connection of internet, okay? Yeah, you have to ask question from last two stanza. It's okay, Ashita. Agastya has asked to justify your answer by real life example. Okay. Keep on writing. Okay. Lakshya has asked that the danger that waits assail you. What is the meaning of this sentence? Who is the no beta Agastya? It would be who is. Albert Edgar guessed. Jas Patel has written why thousands point out one by one, why not all together? Okay, that's also good sense of asking question. Now next is Agastya. Before name there will no the. Okay, yes. We don't write the before the name. Okay, it's okay. Janil has written what is the mess? Oh, Janil first time asked. Okay, thank God. Okay. Where we have to keep going by taking off coat. Good. Jas Patel. What is the message of poem? It couldn't be done. Okay, that question has been asked, but it's okay. It's a nice question. How did he do it? With past tense did we use first form of the verb. So how did he do it and got success? Okay, that would be the correct framing a question. Monil has asked that which line from stanza 1 best express conflict? Which line from stanza best? Okay, same. I think you have issue with internet issue. Okay, you are sitting in front of your Wi-Fi. Then you sit behind Wi-Fi. Okay, Shlok has written few more questions. I'm going to read for you from 9th now. Okay. what will thousands do? First question. Now next is why they point out one by one. Okay. Next, who buckled with a bead of green? Now next number, what is the moral of the poem? Next, tell something about the poet. So these are the questions prepared by Shlokam. Okay. What is the biggest, what is the question you have? What was the biggest shift of the poem? It couldn't be done. Okay, that's great. Okay, here I'm going to ask you a few questions, right? Last question here is written. Wait 1 minute. Give me 1 minute time. Okay. What qualities are required for? Why don't you read your question? Okay. It would be better.
Ma'am,
Read out your question. Yes.
ma'am, can I read my question?
Yes.
Ma'am, my question was that who has written the poem Home Rhymes, Just Glad Things, and When Day is Gone?
Okay. Beta, why your voice is so loud? I think you have a good quality of speaker, right?
No, ma'am, I am speaking loud so that.
Ma'am, can I read my question? But I
No.
don't know my question's answer.
Okay.
Ma'am, what qualities are required for a good motivative poet or a poem, and what feelings of the poet
Motivational
are
quote.
required
Okay.
for the good motivative poem?
That's great. Anyone wants to answer of his question? Anyone wants to answer of Jas Patel's question?
Ma'am, okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, the good motivative poet or poem means not means that to write a very fast, but take the knowledge from everywhere. Means take a real life example, read books and poems. What are the common situations people are facing? Means for example, so all people are thinking of negative and all become losers. So yeah.
Agastya, you have said in the good motivative poem, the poet takes real life example, but in this it couldn't be done. There are no real life examples, not any of them also.
There are lots of lines you can see over here. Just take off your coat and go to it. Means it's not in this stanza, in this line it is saying getting ready for hard work. Means like that real example, not like that we are going to anywhere and like that. So first poet should know all the knowledge and the examples of what are problematic way in our society, and then we should try to write the question.
Okay. Good argument. That means where you find something is wrong or not related to you, that means you just protect that. That's a great sense. Good. See, but how to disagree with other? Okay, you don't break the flow and all of a sudden. You said that yes, maybe you are right in your point of view, but I am not agree with this. In that sense, you can disagree with the person. See, that doesn't mean that you will all will agree with the person. No, sometimes my mind said no, I should not agree with the things. So that time you just use the no, maybe you are right in your point of view, but according I'm not agree with this. That means you are the person that you are not agree. Other can agree with his point or disagree with you again. Okay, so this is the good way to that what about start a debate, you can say, or build the debate. What is the summary of poem? Beta, if everybody will write summary of poem, then it will be go so long. Okay. Do you think that the poet has gone through this situation? I think so. Riddhi has asked, what do you think that what poet has learned from this poem? Okay, that means Riddhi wanted to ask the poet has learned something from his failure and he has written the poem, right? Maybe. Molly asked, who is he in this line? Okay. Laksha. Laksha, which questions answer you have to give? Please tell me. I have asked you so many questions.
Ma'am, that one you told, no ma'am. What the poet?
Which one?
Why did the poet write this poem?
It was not my question. It was Shlok's question. Because Shlok is sitting in aside of me. Okay, he is here.
Oh,
He's
okay,
taking science class.
Ma'am, poet wrote this poem because he don't want anyone to anyone not success in their life.
Okay.
Ma'am,
The
poet wrote this poem because he don't want anyone to get demotivated from others.
Yes. Demotivated from other, or the poet wants to say that we should not listen to other. Okay, that we listen to other when we are motivated by listening to them, but when they are speaking something negative statement, we should not listen. We should hit like a racket, like a cricket, football or cricket. Okay, how do you hit? Baseball. Okay, in that sense only. Okay. Hey, Meja, Pote, Albert, Igor, guest. Okay, Asita. What is the meaning of this, Agastya?
मैम ये टाइप मिस्टेक हो गया, वॉइस पे बोल रहा था ना मैम, वॉइस टाइप नहीं किया था। मीन्स ही ने अगर आशिता ने क्वेश्चन पूछा था ही का मतलब क्या होता है, आई डोंट नो, तो मैंने रिप्लाई दिया ही मीन्स पोएट अल्बर्ट इजर गेस्ट।
Okay, fine, got it. Here he is, no, you have to, we don't know whether the poet is the narrator or somebody else is the narrator. Suppose I am writing a story, that doesn't mean I am the character. Okay, suppose I will write a short story, doesn't mean I am the main character in that story. Okay, so here we have to find who is the main character. Here a young boy who has decided to work hard or get success in his life, he is the narrator. Okay. Anything more? Anything else you want to ask? Also, you can say the person who is full of determination to complete his work or task is the person. did, eat, and got. With did we use simple present. Okay, did plus verb. First form. We don't use whether it is past, present, or like that, because did itself is past form, so we don't use did or did done. Okay, we write did plus first form of the verb. Okay, why did he do? Why did he go? Okay, what did he eat? Not eaten. Okay, please don't forget this because it will help you. Krishiv, you write 2-3 questions, then I will let you give you attendance. Okay, as I told you, you have to submit your project work by Monday. Keep on working. Those students will make the file very. I will give them certificate. Okay.
Ma'am, I will send you. Ma'am, I will send you.
Already sent me.
Ma'am, in a locally star group.
Okay. Those have, I said. Those have not sent yet. And I told you that Monday is the last. But before that you have done, it's okay. Okay. Minimum. What is the minimum? Okay. It says any answer. How many pages should be there in project file? It depends on you, Riri. I will also send tomorrow. Okay. Before Sunday also you can send me. It's okay. No problem. You have time. And listen, few student has written sended in the group. Okay. So there is no word like sended. The past form of send is sent. Okay. All of you learn the verb form so that there will be no confusion. Okay, so I am going to send you the word file of or PDF form of the question answer, and you are going to write that question answer in your FNB neatly, and after writing question answer, what you have to do? You have to do cover page. This time I have said many of you have not done cover page. I have been asking you again and again. You don't worry about that. Why? One student has sent me cover page. It could not be done. Write down the poem neatly in your FNB. If there will be anything missing in your FNB, I will give you less marks in submission. Okay? Are you getting? I'm not giving you threatening, but it's my duty. If you're not doing your work properly, I will not give you full marks. Okay?
Ma'am, my
Riddhi, your
notebook
notebook is
was
not
not
checked. That
checked.
means, Riddhi, you submit your notebook next time. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
We always check.
Ma'am, I also.
Okay, fine. You're also not checked.
Ma'am, my notebook
It's okay.
is also not
I'll be
checked.
checking. Don't worry. Okay. Send me. Which one not checked, beta?
Ma'am, full book is not checked. It is not checked.
Yes, ma'am. My also full book.
English.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
English.
Yes, ma'am. English and
What
English
are you
grammar
saying?
both.
Yes, ma'am.
Grammar book has been not checked. Grammar book
Notebook.
has been not checked.
No, ma'am. मेरी तो नोटबुक की चेक नहीं हुई ग्रामर. इंग्लिश लिटरेचर की भी चेक नहीं हुई, ग्रामर की भी नहीं हुई.
Okay, fine. No problem. Then next, in the next submission, you submit it on time. Then we'll check. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, all of you. Bye. Complete your homework. I have taken screenshot of your attendance. You can leave. have your breakfast, drink water, go to washroom, get fresh and sit for the next session. Okay? Bye all of you. Take care.